Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to take you on my adventure in transforming my hair because it's not much of a, real color. There's like some interesting things happening. And I figured, why not, since we're in quarantine, do something different with it. I'm not really doing this so much as for tutorial purposes as more like I'm just taking you guys along on my journey doing my hair. And I haven't bleached it in a long time, so it's in a pretty healthy state. I haven't washed it in about a week, so I've got all my natural oils in here to protect my hair. I've been putting some jojoba oil, this little one from Trader Joe's. I love it. And so my hair is nice and oily and in a good state to be bleached. So this is going to be my first hair transformation video. I like to color my hair, so I'm certain you guys have noticed that in all my videos. And I was at Target the other day and I saw that they had punky color bleach, and typically at Target and Walmart and those stores they don't have good bleach. They just have like box dyes and box bleach that's, just gonna fry your hair and not really give you that salon look that you want. So I usually get my stuff from like Sally's or Ulta or something like that, and I'll use Quick Blue bleach. But this time they had punky color at Target. 40 volume cream bleach, and I've not tried it, this brand, before, but I've heard good things about it, so I figured why not try it while we are in quarantine still. Good news is I found in my little bag I still had the sensitive scalp protector from Ion. Like you can get this at like Sally's, but I'm gonna mix this with my bleach so that my head doesn't catch on fire and burn and stuff. And yeah, anyways, I also have these cute little like ear protector caps, which they're really good. I've had this box since like I was 16 and I'm 22 now, so lasted a very long time. I mean, it sounds silly like buying ear cuff protector things, but it was worth it because it lasted like 6 years. So, all right, so let's start. Alright guys, I've got all of my powder and developer in here. It looks like it is a blue base, maybe even purple. I don't know if you can tell. I don't want to make a mess, but it's kind of like purplish bluish, which is good because I have brown hair and it's definitely pulls out like an orangish color when I bleach it. And I have this cute little mixer especially for this. Now I'm going to put this sensitive scalp protector in my bleach. Mix it all up, section off my hair. I'm going to start with my mid-lengths, go down to my ends, then do my roots, because your roots are going to process. Your roots are going to process the fastest. I'm going to start with my mid-lengths, then go to my ends. Your ends are like the most fragile from the rest of your hair. Hopefully we get a good even color. I mean, it won't be even because I do have a bit of green and blue and kind of reddish and purple, like some junk color all throughout my hair. So it's not going to be like perfectly blonde. Whenever I bleach it, you'll see probably tints of this, but hopefully we can get it super, super, super light so that when I go in to put my color, perfect. So for anyone who hasn't done this before, you'll definitely want to make sure that your bleach is like fully mixed and there's not like chunks, little pockets of powder. Because that's going to go on your head and it's not going to be all mixed up and it's not going to do what it's supposed to do. And then I have my sensitive scalp protector in here and it actually makes it smell good. And it's not going to make my head hurt. Did I mention that? Alright, so I'm going to section off my hair. And I guess it's going to be easier for me to like start from my bottom layer. So hopefully these babies aren't fried by the time I make my way up here. Hopefully this goes smoothly. A bird. Putting these on is like so loud. It's just like that's loud in here. Come on, protect my ear. Okay. You ready to go? And then I'm gonna clip these aside too, cause like they don't need to be processed just yet. Okay, look at my head. One thing I do want to say is like you never want to like scratch your head whenever the bleach is on, because Like you'll scratch your like scalp and then like all the chemicals and it'll just burn even more and itch, and it's just not good. Keep that in mind, don't scratch it. I'm not gonna have that problem because I have the sensitive scalp protector. But yeah, if you don't have the sensitive scalp protector, just put on some like hardcore music and don't scratch your head. Here we go. I have a second box in case I run out too. Whenever I say I'm doing my mid-links and then my ends and then the roots, I mean like what I'm doing right now, where I like start from the mid-links and then go down to the ends. Because the way I explained it probably sounds like I like just do all my mid-links, then I go and do all my ends, and then I go and do all my roots, but that's a lot of work. Now we're going on to this side. I need to not dilly-dally and fiddle-diddle because I'm on a timer. My bleach isn't gonna wait for me. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's do this, let's do this. But let's not rush it, but let's rush it. You want to rush it, but you also don't want to rush it. Does that make sense? Gosh, these gloves are really not good, the ones that they give you. This one's about done. Oh, I don't know where that went. Okie dokie. Also, when you're bleaching your hair, you want to wear clothes that you don't care if they get messed up. Choose a shirt and some pants, like these little sweatpants, that you're okay if they get bleached or color on it. 1/4 of the way done, because we still got to do this top half and my roots too, but we're doing good. We're making good time. Let's hope it's not too complicated. Do you like this motion I'm doing? Use the camera to see. I look like I'm teasing my hair. Just teasing my hair with bleach. I think I should have enough to do all of it with just one box, and that way I can keep that second box for backup. Do you guys do anything? Comment down below if you do anything weird whenever you are focusing. For me, I don't realize it, but sometimes I have to stick my tongue out like thinking. Y'all don't forget to subscribe if you like me. I'm just playing. But please subscribe if you do like me. Either way, I'm gonna keep making fun videos until I find someone that likes these kinds of videos. And by what kind of videos, I'm meaning all kinds. I don't know what my audience is. So yeah, subscribe if you like hair. Subscribe if you have hair. So anyone that has hair, sorry, you have to subscribe. Anyone that likes music, subscribe. Anyone interested or does tarot, subscribe. Anyone that draws or likes art, subscribe. Anyone that likes adventures, sorry, you have to subscribe. So if you're still watching, thank you so much. There's so much more to happen in this video. I haven't even finished bleaching my hair. How does it look back there? I don't know. Let me know. Please tell me, does it look okay? I don't know. Okay, so I lied. I'm definitely gonna have to open up that second box because I just have like barely any bleach left from that first box, and it's not gonna be enough to do all this. But I gotta get to work so I can do my roots before the ends fall off. They won't fall off, I promise. I'm touching everything with my bleach hands. It's fine because we're just gonna use it. Oh, I have to put the cream in. I mean the developer, which is the cream. People call it cream. They don't know what it is, but it's hydrogen peroxide. It's not burning my head though, which is really good because I ended up putting the sensitive scalp protector on the first box of bleach that I poured in, and that was the part that went only on my mid-links and my ends. Because I thought that it was going to be able to do all of my hair, but it wasn't able to, so silly me. I put the scalp protector on specifically all the bleach that's not on my scalp. But yeah, my hair looks like kind of scary right now with all the weird colors in it. But yeah, I wish I did have like more bleach actually, because my hair is so thick and it just absorbs it. It's just like takes it all up. And I'm like, hey, why can't you do that whenever I put like moisturizing things in there to make you like soft? Which I guess it does drink it up. It just needs so much of it. I'm just like having to constantly like water my hair like it's a plant. I have like plastic wrap I'm gonna put on my hair to keep the heat in. Once the bleach starts like drying on your hair, it's already done its job. It's not gonna keep processing once it's dried up. Some people use like a plastic bag, which you can use a plastic bag too, but be careful and like make sure it's clear, because I saw one time a girl use like a plastic bag. It was like, oh my god, it was a Walmart bag. And then when she took it off, there was like a Walmart print like from the bag on her hair. Okay guys, so we've got it all rinsed out. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with me having rinsed it all out. And my roots got really light, but it's just like for just like a second and then it goes into this like orange color. So haven't used it before, so hopefully this one's pretty good. And just to let you guys know, I'm not going for a blonde look. I'm just trying to like prep my hair to be in a good state to put color on it. So I'm gonna put this purple shampoo in my hair and see what it does. All right, hey guys, I've got the purple shampoo in. Hopefully it makes this a little bit less orange. Hey guys, so I just finished rinsing out my purple shampoo. Now I have all my conditioner in right now, but I just want to show you guys that it definitely helped. It's still pretty yellow and orange though, but it definitely helped with just like one time using it. I want to tell you guys what kind of conditioner I have in right now because my head feels so good. This is like tea tree tingle conditioner from Trader Joe's also. And this one literally is making my head feel so minty, which it always does, but after bleaching, wow, this is like, everyone should use a conditioner like this that makes their head feel like a fresh breath air. Okay, well, let me rinse out my conditioner and I will come back next week to do my color. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is still pretty yellow, orange, kind of a golden color, but it's not as yellow and orange as it was before. Did the purple shampoo like you guys saw before. I waited several days and then with my hair totally dry, I painted it on the roots down to the mid-lengths. I left it on for about like 45 minutes and then I rinsed it out. It really helped correct the color a lot. Like it just put like a nice filter almost on my hair. And even though I could have definitely do it again to make it more blonde, I don't need to because like I said, we're just going for a nice blank canvas to put the paint on. And the paint that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be doing Adore Neon Pink 140. Anyways, this is so pigmented. I'm gonna run and get some Vaseline and put that around my ears and my hairline and stuff since I don't have the little ear protectors anymore. And this stuff's gonna totally stain my skin.